Hello everyone. Today we are looking at something really unique and fun. Ever wonder if you can drive a car in PowerPoint? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. Stay tuned as I show you how to create an animated car driving scene in PowerPoint that will amaze everyone. So let's start the video. Right click, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill. Insert picture from Files. Select and insert it. Then click on picture, select it and insert it. Duplicate the car. I will tell you the reason later. Duplicate the car again. Zoom in on the slide and go to crop. Select 1:1 from the accept ratio. Crop it like this. Go back to crop and select oval from crop to shape. And shift to the first tire of the car. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate it and move it to the second tire. Select the car object and go to the Animation tab. Click on Add Animation. Choose the line animation from the Motion Path option. Choose the right direction. Go to the Animation pane. Click on Effect option. Set Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0. Go to Timing and set the duration to about 5 seconds for realistic motion. Now, using the animation painter, click on one of the car wheels and apply the same animation. Select with previous. Go to the Add Animation tab, click on More Emphasis Effect and select Spin Animation. Then OK. Select with previous and set the duration to 0.9 seconds. Go to Timing, select until next click from Repeat, then OK. Now using the animation painter, click on other wheel of the car and apply the same animation. Select all three objects. Shift them outside the slide. Select car object. Adjust the path so that the car moves smoothly along the road. Grab the red point and drag it to the car on the right. After this, grab the red point of the wheel and pull it to the wheel on the right side. Do the same with the wheel on the left side. Now, let's click on the slideshow. Is not this amazing? PowerPoint is not just for presentation, it is a powerful tool for creativity and animation. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoy this video and want to see more creative PowerPoint tricks, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Akshrika Tutorials. Let me know in the comment which unique animation you like the most. See you in the next video. Thank you.